Hey, it's Andy from Antek Automation. Today I want to talk about something that trips up a lot of business owners I speak to. They've heard about AI chatbots, maybe even tried ChatGPT, and they think that's it. That's AI done. But honestly, chatbots are just the tip of the iceberg. There are AI tools out now that can answer your phone, look at photos, and handle paperwork. And they're affordable enough for a one-person operation. I've got 6 practical tips for you today, so stick around. Picture this, you were an electrician, it's 7:30 in the evening, you're having your tea and your phone rings. A landlord needs an emergency check on a property before tenants move in tomorrow. You can't answer because you got your kids at the table. That call goes to voicemail. The landlord rings the next electrician on Google. Job gone. And here's the thing, 62% of calls to small service businesses happen outside office hours. That's not a made up number, that's real data. Now imagine the same call, but instead of voicemail, an AI voice agent picks up. It understands the landlord's problem, checks your diary and books an A to M appointment. The landlord's sorted, you didn't have to put your fork down and you've got a job in the book. That's the kind of thing we're talking about today. Not sci-fi, just practical tools that solve real problems. Right, tip number 1. Get a voice AI on your phone line. This is the single biggest win I see for service businesses. A voice AI receptionist answers calls 24/7, understands natural conversation, and can book appointments straight into your calendar. It costs somewhere between £100 and £500 a month, depending on call volume. Compare that to a part-time receptionist. We set these up for clients at Antek regularly, and the feedback is always the same. They can't believe how many calls they were missing before. Number 2, and this is a big one for tradespeople, use image AI for damage assessment before you drive out. If a customer sends you photos of their dodgy roof or a damp patch on their wall, image AI can identify the problem type, estimate severity and tell you whether it's urgent. That means you can prioritize jobs properly and give more accurate quotes without wasting fuel on a site visit that turns out to be nothing. For anyone doing insurance work, this speeds up the whole process massively. Tip 3. Automate your site documentation. If you're a plumber, electrician, or any trade that needs to document completed work, this one's for you. Instead of spending an hour writing up what you did, take photos of the job and let image AI generate the compliance report and before and after documentation automatically. I've seen this save tradespeople 3 to 4 hours a week. That's half a day you get back for actual billable work. By the way, there's a full written version of this on the blog if you want the detail. Links in the show notes. Now number 4, use visual inspection AI during site visits. If you're an HVAC engineer or an electrician, you can point your phone camera at a piece of equipment and AI can identify the model, spot potential issues or read serial numbers from the image. No more squinting at tiny labels in a dark cupboard or ringing the office to look up a spec sheet. This is exactly the kind of thing we help businesses integrate at Antek. It slots right into your existing workflow. 5, and this is the one most people overlook, don't start with the fanciest tool. Start with whatever's costing you the most money right now. Ask yourself, am I missing calls? Then voice AI is your first move. BK tag 0, am I wasting time on paperwork? Then documentation AI, am I driving to jobs I could have quoted from photos? Image assessment, the best automation projects solve specific bottlenecks. Pick one problem, fix it properly, then move on to the next. I've seen businesses try to automate everything at once and end up with nothing working well. And finally, number 6, get the costs straight in your head. What cost £50,000 in custom development 2 years ago can now be done for a few thousand, depending on complexity. Monthly running costs for voice or image AI sit between £100 and £500. That's less than a part-time member of staff. But here's my honest advice. This isn't a DIY job. You need someone who understands service businesses, not just the tech. A chatbot on your website is something you can set up yourself. Voice AI integrated with your phone system and booking software. That needs proper implementation. So to recap, Voice AI and image AI aren't future tech. They're available right now at prices that work for small businesses. Start with the one thing that's costing you the most, whether that's missed calls or wasted admin hours. Get a voice AI on your phone line if you're losing inquiries after hours. Use image tools to cut down on unnecessary site visits and speed up your documentation. And don't try to do it all yourself. Get someone who knows service businesses to set it up properly. Start with one win this week and build from there. That's your quick tip for today. If you want to see how AI automation can help your business, head to antekautomation.com or give us a bell on 0333 038 9960. BK Tag 0. Cheers.